The current value of Bitcoin SV is 35.8977 per coin, and it has recently reached a value of 35.5601, with a fluctuation range of 36.4672. On the preceding day, the closing rate was recorded as 36.3926, with a change of 0.4949, representing a 1.36% decrease in the exchange rate. The anticipated valuation of Bitcoin SV, BSV, in United States dollars for the years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 is of interest. The projected price of Bitcoin SV in August 2023 is anticipated to be at a starting value of 40.24, with a maximum price. The price of 40.45 is a minimum of $30.62. The average amount for the month is $37.03. The price of Bitcoin SV experienced fluctuations over the course of several months, with a notable change of 36.79 BSV on August 8.6. Looking ahead to September 2023, it is anticipated that the initial cost of 36.79 BSV will serve as the highest price point. The lease costs amount to $39.79. The average for the month is 30.89. The estimated cost of Bitcoin SV is 36.17 units, with a change of 37.19 units expected on September 1st. In October 2023, the projected cost of 1.1 Bitcoin SV is 37.19 units, representing the highest cost of $37.19. The expenses associated with leasing, the average value for the month is 32.29. The cost of Bitcoin SV experienced a fluctuation of 35.35 units during the observed period, with a specific shift of 34.72 units on October 6.6. It is anticipated that the exchange rate of 1 Bitcoin SV to United States dollars will reach its highest value in November 2023, first starting at 34.72 units. The lease costs amount to $43.10. The average value for the month is 34.72. The amount in question is $38.21. Bitcoin SV exhibits speculative pricing trends, fluctuating around the value of $40.28 over the course of several months. The projected cost of Bitcoin SV on November 16 is expected to be $40.28, with a maximum anticipated price for December 2023. The least cost observed throughout the month was $42.22, while the normal cost was $36.70. The price of Bitcoin SV is estimated to be 39.67 in the coming months, with a slight decrease to 39.46 on December 2%. It is expected that the value of 1 BSV will increase by 2% against the United States dollar in January 2024. The initial cost is projected to be 39.46, with the potential for higher prices. The least cost is 39.46. The average for the month is 33.99. The cost of Bitcoin SV fluctuated at 37.37 during the observed period, with a change of 36.55 on January 7. It is projected that the cost of Bitcoin SV will reach 7.4 in February 2024, starting with an initial cost of 36.55, with a maximum expected cost. The minimum cost is 36.55. The average value for the month is 29.79. The estimated cost of 33.73 Bitcoin SV in United States dollars is projected for the upcoming months, with a remaining balance of $32.03 as of February. It is expected that 12.4% of Bitcoin SV will be converted to United States dollars by the year 2024. The initial cost is recorded at $32.03, while the highest cost is $33.02, and the lowest cost is $28.70. The average cost for the month is still to be determined. The projected cost of Bitcoin SV is estimated to be $31.15, with an additional 86 cents fluctuation during the spring season. The projected cost of Bitcoin SV in April 2024 is primarily expected to be at 30.86, with the highest costs being observed. The least cost observed throughout the month was 34.42, while the normal cost was 29.92. The cost of Bitcoin SV was recorded at 31.84 cents towards the end of the month, with a slight increase to 32.17 cents on April 4. It is anticipated that in May 2024, the exchange rate for 4.2 BSV to United States dollars would be at its highest, starting at the aforementioned cost of 32.17 cents. The least cost seen for the month was 33.41, which is 29.3 cents below the normal price. The cost of Bitcoin SV had a fluctuation of 31.46 units during the course of the month. Additionally, there was a change of 31.22 units, equivalent to a 3% deviation from the expected cost of Bitcoin SV in June 2024. The beginning cost of Bitcoin SV stood at 31.22 units, reaching its highest point during this period. The least cost seen for the month was 31.22, while the normal cost was 25.69. The price of Bitcoin SV experienced fluctuations over the course of several months, with a value of 28.94 Bitcoin SV at one point. On June 11, there was a decrease in value to 27.62 Bitcoin SV. Looking ahead to July 2024, it is anticipated that the value of 11.5 Bitcoin SV will be equivalent to United States dollars. It is important to note that the initial cost during this period is expected to be 27.62 Bitcoin SV, which represents the highest price. The minimum cost is 28.88. The average value for the month is 25.10. The price of Bitcoin SV is projected to be 27.15 in the coming months, with a slight decrease to 26.99 on July 2. Furthermore, there is a 2.3% forecasted increase in the cost of Bitcoin SV for August 2024, starting at an initial price of 26.99 and reaching its highest price during that period. The monthly lease cost is 27.21, which is 23.65 higher than the standard rate. The projected cost of Bitcoin SV is estimated to be 25.82 units in the upcoming months, with a slight variation of 25.43 units on August 5. Furthermore, it is anticipated that there would be a conversion rate of 5.8 Bitcoin SV to United States dollars in September 2025. Initially, the cost at 11.10 represents the highest possible cost. The least cost of Bitcoin SV for the month was $13.78, while the usual cost was $11.10. The cost gauge for the following month is